The DB11, Vanquish, Rapid, and Vantage models are all made at the Gaydon factory. Inside its small factory, under high ceiling supported by white metal beams, Aston Martin workers bustle. There's an undercurrent of pulsing energy as the Aston Martin line runs at a steady, measured pace. It's a meticulous production process, which explains why the factory floors stay a gleaming gray and white. Each car is scrutinized before it moves along the 200-hour build process in order to pass final inspection, sometimes conducted by the CEO himself. In a high-stakes business like this one, there's no room for hasty mistakes.